Hey friends, it's Julia. I am here with day number 17 of 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life Series 11. Can you believe it already? And today is a 3-photo sketch, and it's kind of got a weird orientation, and I found that to be true this go around. There's a lot of circles, y'all, on the layouts that we've been doing this month. I'm not really the biggest circle fan, but okay. We'll make it work. I'll make this sketch work for me. I'm taking the sketch, using it as inspiration, and I'm going to do my own thing. So what I decided to do, I pulled in another kit. This one is a 6x6, and I planned on making a layout for Mad for Minis on the 3rd Saturday of the month, this month. And that's something that Moira is doing over on her channel, and so I thought I would play along. And so rather than just do one tomorrow, I thought, well, I'll just pull one out and do it today for today. And I've got an Allison Davis sketch coming up next week that I want to work on that also is from a 6x6 project that she put on Facebook. Anywho, so I might use all the same stuff to do that. Same kit for everything. I'm probably going to do that. This one is the one that I have the Heidi Swap 6x6 paper pad. I have pulled in a sheet of just plain white cardstock from my stash. It's close to my heart, and it is daisy white, maybe. Anywho, so that's where I've got, that's where I am with papers. I have a couple of stamp sets in here. I have some sticker sheets. And I'm sorry, not all of this am I going to know the manufacturer, only because all the packaging is in another spot because this kit has been open for a long time. This crepe paper is where these stickers are from. Okay. Yeah, I have lots of leftover bits and pieces that have been in my stash for a long time. Have no clue where they came from. But, yeah, they're going to be used on this. These couple of layouts that I'm going to do. Those are so pretty. Those blings with the, they almost look like a raindrop. Anywho, how cool. I've got clouds, so I can make them into raindrops if I want to. I don't know that I have any raindrop photos. Lots and lots of sticker sheets in here, y'all. I don't know, I guess because I just felt like I needed a lot, I just kept adding to this. It's pretty big. It's gonna last a while. There's all the packaging down in the bottom of this box. That's actually an empty sheet. So lots of stuff. Enamel dots, hearts, what are those called? Jewels. Yeah. Those from a pack. There's some brads. Yeah, those are all empties. So here is where I'm starting with this addition to what I'm already doing. I might pull some of the embellishments that I have around me that I've been pulling the last couple of days. Oh, and there's this box of stuff too. There's wood frames in here, wood veneer frames, washi tape. I have a little embellishment pack that's open, sequins, some circles that I have punched or die cut out with a what do you call it, a stitched edge, all different sizes. I have a large one here, so maybe I can use some circles on this layout somehow. I have a circle sticker here and another one here that both of those I had put up on foam tape already. So I have this collection of papers here, what I have left of it, and I'm going to see what I can come up with this. And if I don't find enough from in there, I also pulled in this other one that I have from Heidi Swap. The colors are just a little bit bolder, but I think they'll work. So here's what I have left of this one. Either or one of these is going to get used, or maybe both. Anyway, I'm going to pull up my photos and then I will start on the process of this. So yeah, give me a few minutes. Okay friends, I am done with layout number 17. For this one, I used the kit that I have put together, the 6x6 paper kit that had the Heidi Swap paper pad in it. This one, the Dreamy collection. Anywho, I didn't use this one. I used the additional one that I put in there with the bolder colors. Favorite things is this collection, and so I used 3 pieces of paper out of here, and this is what I have left of those 3 papers. Just 3 little offcuts. I did pull in a scrap piece of white cardstock in order to mat some things, some embellishments. I did use my stamp set for the title Best Day. I used a couple of rolls of washi tape. This one wasn't originally in the kit, but I had this one in there, and I don't know if you can see, that has turned into a sticky, gooey, gummy mess. And so it's just like, I'm done. This one's going into the trash, and this is the one that I pulled in from my stash that was as close to that as I could get. They're a little bit not the same, but they are. So those are the 2 washi tapes that I used. These are the stickers that I used. I used some pieces off of this leftover sheet, and 3 stickers from here. Finishing touches. Oh, and I used stickers from all 3 of the 12 by 12 pages. I took a scallop circle here that had, we start with family, I think. I don't remember. From here, I took a sticker that said sun. And from here, I took multiple little bits and pieces of like scallopy pieces. I don't know if that makes sense, but when you see the layout, I think you'll understand. So I pulled in an ampersand, circle ampersand from here. I pulled in a greenish gold heart, and then I pulled in, I had 3 of these, white, light gray, and gray. Anywho, I used one from each of those sheets. And here is the layout that I created. Now, if you see the sketch, if you recall the sketch, you'll see I didn't use circles with the exception of that one and a little one, and then the enamel dots or faceted enamel pieces. I really didn't use any circles, but I like how this one turned out. I like the overlapping of papers, the staggering of the photos. This isn't an easy type of layout for me to do. I'm very linear, very left brain, in that I need things to line up. I know a lot of people don't understand that, but it's a fact. And so putting things a little bit out of kilter and not lined up is hard for me when I'm doing layouts and being creative like this. Anywho, so you can see I just stacked up washi tape, stickers, the ampersand, and the enamel dots in each of these little clusters. And then I put just some random stuff in a couple of different spots, and then I put my title right here. I guess I should have left this off, but it says Our Family Tree. I wanted to leave that on, but I also wanted my title to be Best Day. And I stamped directly, that's thick cardstock, and I don't know if you can, it kind of shadows for me, but I went directly on the page with my Close to My Heart black ink. And that's an older pad, and I don't think I've re-inked it in a long time. So it went down great. I had to use my, and go over it multiple times, my Tonic Studios small press board. And so, I mean, it got great coverage when I went directly on the page. Anywho, guys, I appreciate you being here. I will have close-ups of the clusters at the end of the video, so if you're interested, stick around for those. And make sure, if you're interested in seeing the other layouts that I've made during this 30 days of sketches, check out my playlist called 30DS CBL 11 for my playlist, and for Christy's and all the people who are participating in doing 30 days of sketches, there is a hashtag 30DS CBL 11, and that should pull up all the layouts that have been created and tagged with that. Anywho, folks, I will see you on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.